Okay, so if you head over to Food City, starting today, they've got some awesome deals. So you can pick up some Dos Ranchos tortillas. Regularly, this will cost you $2.19, but they have it on sale for $1.69, and this is for a 10-pack. And on a side note, a lot of Food Cities have tortilla factories inside of them, so if you like those restaurant tortilla chips, they have them right there for a great price. Okay, so what I'm showing you how to make with the items that are on sale at Food City is basically tacos, chicken tacos, super simple. The whole thing, all the ingredients that I purchased, and that's actually a fraction of what it cost you, cost me $6.76 with the items that are on sale. So as I mentioned, the tortilla shells are on sale, plus they also are going to have boneless, skinless chicken thighs on sale on Thursday only for 97 cents a pound. But regular price is $1.69 a pound. That's still a pretty good deal. In addition to that, you can also pick up spinach. The regular price, a bundle cost me $1.99, and you need some cherry tomatoes. So here's how it works. So you need about 2 pieces of chicken thighs. You need a half a cup of cherry tomatoes chopped, and you need 1 cup of spinach. All you do is cook the chicken in the pan, then you want to add the spinach, add the tomatoes, and then you're going to cook your tortilla shells just like this and add some cheese. And by the way, this cheese wasn't on sale. It cost me $1.99. It's Food Club over at Food City. That's a pretty good deal. So I put the cheese on top of the tortilla while the tortilla is warming up, and then I'll add the ingredients that I've already cooked down, as you can see. Check that out, doesn't that look delicious? And you want to add some spices, so if you like spices, maybe add a little bit of taco seasoning to it. You can add some garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper just to kind of spice it up a little bit. And then there you go. And then you just simply fold it over. I would highly recommend that you not use your hands in the pan like I'm doing right now so you don't burn yourself. But basically you add your ingredients, you fold it over just like that, and voila. So to make this, the ingredients right here with 2 pieces of chicken, you're gonna be able to make about 4 to 6 tacos, or quesadillas as you would call them, for this. I would say again, just $6.76 with the items that you're gonna find on sale at Food City. So they'll have boneless, skinless chicken thighs on sale on Thursday only for just 97 cents a pound. You can purchase 2 packages, and those are sold in value packs. But you can get a lot out of that. So there you go. As always, I appreciate your time. And if you're watching this on Facebook, go check out my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com and sign up for the newsletter for exclusive deals. And as always, I appreciate your time. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.